We got Dennis on location. It is Wednesday the 24th, and John has got his wheelchair. He's come on, let's show it.
It's the whoopee mode.
That's it. That's a good movie.
I need that 6-20A bolt.
Okay. Do I need to drill that, or is that what's going on? Give me a minute. Rick's fat, dumb, and happy up here taking care of stuff. Anyway, belly skin's on. We ran it day before yesterday for the first time, and it is getting all kinds of final business done. John's gonna lay his pencil to paper before too long and make it legal. But
So is
it's
Terry.
coming.
Terry's going to use that A&P and sign off his work. Woohoo!
Well, what about Rick? He has to sign something off too.
Make
Anyway,
that happen.
Rick
was never here.
anyway, Rick put the windshield in, and now he's putting in the top of the dash. There it is. And let's see. We got the tail tin on. It's looking good. I got to find that cover right there. Anyway, it's all fat and dumb and happy. It's getting fatter because the skins are on the bottom, and the side skins will go on here pretty quick, and lots of other things, I'm sure. Anyway, I'll be back.